Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance using an easy method. Binance is one of the world's largest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges, used by over 275 million users globally. We'll walk through the simple steps to get you started, from creating your account to making your very first Bitcoin purchase. This method is designed to be straightforward, ensuring you can confidently navigate the platform and acquire your crypto assets with ease. First, you'll need to set up your Binance account. You can register using your email address, phone number, or even your Google or Apple ID. After registration, the crucial next step is identity verification, also known as KYC. This involves providing your personal information and uploading clear images of a government-issued identification document, such as a passport or driver's license. You'll also complete a quick liveness check, usually a selfie or short video, to confirm your identity. This process helps keep your account secure and compliant with regulations. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Navigate to the Buy Crypto or Deposit section in your Binance wallet. You can choose to deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, using various payment methods. Options typically include bank transfers, debit or credit card payments, and sometimes even third-party services. Select your preferred method, enter the amount you wish to deposit, and follow the clear on-screen prompts to finalize the transaction. Deposits can be instant or take a few business days, depending on your chosen method. With funds in your account, buying Bitcoin is simple. Head to the Buy Crypto section and select Bitcoin or BTC. You'll then enter the amount of fiat currency you want to spend. Binance will display the equivalent amount of Bitcoin you will receive. Review all the order details carefully, including any applicable fees, which are typically low. Once you confirm the transaction, your Bitcoin will be purchased and deposited directly into your Binance Spot wallet, usually within a few minutes. Congratulations, you're now a Bitcoin owner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.